Welcome to Happy everyone. In this video we're going to feature Kollar Nursery, which is a mom-pop operation in northern Maryland. Hey Stan, what's up? I purchased approximately 20 plants, and some of the plants I did not do research before I showed up to the nursery, but after talking to Stan I said, well, let's go grab them. So I'm going to be learning about some of these plants. I'll be learning more about other plants I knew of, but going to learn with more detail. This is going to be a little more of a slideshow. We're also going to talk bloodroot and wild ginger. Welcome to Happy.
Hey, wake up!
So the wild ginger is over here and the bloodroot is here. These stumps are faced to the south. In this location here, these two plants will get late day sun, but very late day. Right above us is a poplar tree, and of course its limbs are pointed to the south. So there'll be a little bit of sunshine in here. We have a young poplar tree that I planted, and she's going to spread too. We'll allow some limbs to go that way, this way. The cornelian cherry tree that's here, it's Pioneers, the cultivar, can tolerate part shade. So as the cornelian gets taller, we got the poplar above. This should get shadier and shadier down in here. Fingers crossed. Bloodroot and wild ginger. Hey, I hope you liked this video. Please hit the like button. Hit the like button if you didn't like the video. It's all good. Please subscribe to our channel as we stand up this 2-acre exhibition garden and turn our residential home into a home that's as off-grid as possible using off-the-shelf stuff. Take care of yourself. Take care of someone else if you can. Love you. Bye.